Hey everyone, this is Michael with Efficient Fleets, and in this video I'm going to show you how to calibrate the odometer for your vehicle. This is really easy to do in AirIQ. All you got to do is of course log into your account first, choose the vehicle that you want to work with. So I'm just going to go ahead and choose this one here as I've already got it up on the screen. I just got to click on the Calibrate Odometer button that's next to the vehicle name here under the Actions tab. So I'm just going to click there. I get my Calibrate odometer window. It gives me details about the last time I calibrated the odometer, etc. But all you got to do is take in your odometer value that you took off the dashboard of your vehicle. Just type it in there. I'm going to type in a new value. Click on Save. And that's all you have to do to calibrate the odometer for your vehicle. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel.